Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you around Tally integration. So, while doing Tally integration on TranZact, you have created multiple invoices in single purchase order, and you want those invoices to be integrated in Tally as one. How you can make that changes? So, let us go to our Tally integration module. On your left hand side, here you will see Tally integration module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in Tally integration module, you need to go in Tally rules. Once you will come in Tally rules, please select Tally general rule from Tally rules. Now, these are all the list of our Tally rules. Here you need to simply search for purchase and it will provide you all the purchase related rules. So if you can see, please check. Here is one of the rule which is combined purchase voucher of same number and from supplier. So currently it is on no. Now, if you will go ahead and integrate the purchase invoices, multiple purchase invoices in Tally, it will create multiple invoices. So in order to just combine it, you need to select this particular Tally rule, and on your right hand side, you need to click on edit general rule. Here, you need to make the changes as yes and click on save. Now, after making the changes, you need to generate the report again, and accordingly you need to integrate it in Tally. Once you will integrate it in Tally, you will see that all the invoices will be coming as one invoice of single purchase order on Tally. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in making changes in your purchase rule. Have a good day.